So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to save Instagram posts. Okay, so without wasting any delay, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Instagram and select a post that you're gonna save. Okay, so after selecting, click on this icon over here to save the post. Okay, so where this saved post will be saved? So let's choose this, right? So firstly go to your profile and just click on the three lines and go to saved. So all the posts that you're gonna save will be appear here. So in this way you can save Instagram posts in Instagram. Okay, so thank you for watching.